Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a slide review and unboxing of the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO slides. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. So today we've got to look at the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO by the slide. So we've got this in the UK size 8, European 42.5, and it's US 9. It's in the box. And here they are. So for those that don't know, in the mid-90s, Nike made a Air sneaker, which is called the AIR UPTEMPO, or the AIR MORE UPTEMPO. And it was famously worn by Scottie Pippen and George of the Jungle. We've done the review of the sneakers before, so check that out. It's one of my favorite sneakers of all time. And just looking at this, these are one of my favorite slides of all time, because essentially it is the slide version of the AIR MORE UPTEMPO. And I love everything about it, like the sole unit, even the upper, but we'll get into all that details soon. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and if you look at the patterning here, it's the same outsole as the AIR MORE UPTEMPO sneaker. So it just mimics it. It is the same unit essentially, but the uppers are different. And it's wild to see this in slide form, because again, you can see the chambers. So sorry, I forgot to mention, it's all rubber. You can see all that traction patterning with the Nike swoosh. The Air, again, it's just like looking at the shoe. The midsole itself, it's a rubber midsole. You've got bits of file on also, but famously, obviously, you can see the Air cushioning all around. So it's the pockets there. Also, you can see the bags. Now, I love this touch on the upper. So you look at the upper, and you got the cushion right here. It's all synthetic materials that make it up, and I love it. I'm a big fan. Got nice foam to keep it really comfortable. Iconic Air, that's spelled out. And the footbed, a lot can be said about the footbed. It feels like a normal slide footbed, very luxurious, comfortable. Oh, it's like that great foam, that you need when you want to kick back after playing some hoops in the AIR MORE UPTEMPO. Kick back wearing these slides. Big fan of the sneaker. Like, again, I love it. Just the whole design, the nods to the sneaker itself, and the little branding. So you got the Nike branding on the front footbed, and you got it on the top right there for you. So there's not a lot of me to say. I'm just really excited to try these on for you guys. So roll that footage of me trying the AIR MORE UPTEMPO slides. When it comes to the size, guys, I recommend that you should probably get maybe even 2 sizes up. I'm UK size 7, 7.5, and this is a half size up to what I usually wear, and I had to force my feet in. Shame. Maybe I should have got size 9, so it can be sliding. But it might be that the way that the uppers is, it kind of constrains. It's like forcing me to make my feet narrow at the top, if that makes any sense at all. It's kind of constricting the top of my feet. Again, I'm quite disappointed because the the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. And unfortunately, I wouldn't say that these are the most comfortable slides I've ever worn, which is a shame. And because they look so cool, like guys, these are the standard versions of the Nike Air More Uptempo, which is such a shame. Maybe I should have got a size up. I mean, this is more or less a size up to what I usually wear. Maybe I need to get a UK size 9, maybe 2 sizes up. But you know, here we go. I'm just here taking pictures of it because I still like it. But you know, if you are willing to, if you really want a pair, I suggest that you get maybe a size bigger than what you usually wear. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.